very uncomfortable because you just like right up in my face. Give this dog a minute. Fuck. Can you stop going in my face? It's not funny.
Yes, it is.
By a dog. He's grunting. Oh my God. He's grunting. He was grunting. He was like, I love you too. I love you too. Ow, quit stepping on my crotch. Get your claw out of my crotch. Fuck. Oh my God. Okay, here. Happy? Let me get happy doogie.
He was just trying to finger you to get you turned on.
I love you. Go away. Oh, you sweet quit. He got it because he's fine. Ow! Why you bite me? He like put my wrist in his mouth and tried to make me pet him. Those are my boobs. You don't have those. You know, honey, you could at least brush your teeth if you're going to try to kiss a woman. Go away. Go play. What are you doing with your lower half down there?